Before looking at styles, you must establish a price point that is comfortable for every member of your group. Remember that some members may be on a fixed income. Inclusivity means ensuring no one is left out due to cost. The best way to justify the price of a high-quality chapter dress is versatility. If a member knows she can wear this outfit to a nice dinner, on a cruise, or for the holidays, she will happily invest in the quality. We also offer specific clothing with a specific logo representing the organization or theme you have chosen that can be worn only in chapter or court, hence providing you with different choices. Your group is likely made up of beautiful women of all shapes and sizes. The biggest mistake organizers make is choosing fitted, tapered styles that only work on specific body types. Tapered cuts are restrictive and uncomfortable for full-figured ladies. This graphic illustrates how separates work. Many times when you select a blouse or jacket based on your color or theme, many in the group may already have a skirt or the base dress, hence creating a cost saving or lowering the cost of the group outfit. While Odeon by Kris offers mix and match sizing on select separates, our signature sets like two-piece lace sets, rhinestone jacket dresses, shimmering sets, and others feature an expertly crafted sizing pattern designed for a proportional fit. This unique cut ensures that when you select a single size, such as large or extra large, it fits beautifully across both the top and bottom, rarely requiring more than minor alterations. Many of these outfits purchased as a set without separate top or bottom allows us to keep the cost down.
Choose skin-safe colors. You likely have a theme or a specific color scheme for your year, but be wary of the exact shade you select. Not all colors work for all skin tones. Difficult colors, like mustard yellows, chartreuse greens, or certain pale pinks, can wash people out or clash with complexions. When in doubt, lean toward jewel tones, deep neutrals, or universally flattering shades that make everyone glow. Demand functional fabric. How the dress looks in a picture is important, but how it lives in reality is vital. The travel test. Many of your ladies travel to conventions and events. Select a fabric that resists wrinkles. It needs to come out of a suitcase ready to wear, not requiring an hour of ironing in a hotel room. The wash test. Avoid dry clean only fabrics. Dry cleaning adds a hidden cost and is a hassle. If the outfit is machine washable, your ladies will wear it much more often. Ready to organize your group? By keeping comfort, budget, and versatility in mind, you ensure a successful outcome and happy members who feel beautiful in their organizations or events attire. Finding the ideal attire for your group has never been easier. Discover our latest collections today at Odeon by Kris. For tailored advice and private consultations, reach out to our team at 888-526-6418. Your perfect event starts here.